So hello students, once again welcoming you in your Python programming language decoding orientation program. And yes, this will be your last session for Python programming language course. And I hope that you have understood the Python programming language, its fundamentals, the basic and its significances in very detailed manner. And I know that you have enjoyed your coding practices very well, because many of students has sent me their coding snippets, and it's feel very proud as a teacher that you are applying your logics. Yes, now it's time to implement some more Python basic program. So today we are going to do the Python program to calculate the area of different shapes. Okay, so let's start it together. Okay, so whenever we want to calculate the area of any given shape, so we must need to know what are the certain rules of the different shapes. Okay, you must know about the rules. Okay, so what are the formulas of different shapes? If you will not know the formulas of the different shape, then how you will calculate the how will you calculate your area? Okay, so please tell me now the different shapes and different areas formula. Who will tell me? So yes, for your reference, I am writing all the area as a comment. Okay, so area of rectangle is what? Length multiplied by breadth. Okay, yes, area of square not is side multiply side. Okay, then area of rectangle is pi r square. That means I am writing here 3.14 multiply radius multiply radius. Okay, then we have the area of triangle. Area of triangle is what? 1 by half, that means 0.50 multiply base multiply height. Okay, so this is the area of the different shapes. Okay, I have written here for your reference. So yes, so now we have to find the area of rectangle, square, circle and triangle. So I am making a program which will calculate the area of square, rectangle, circle and triangle in a one program. Okay, so to finding the areas, we need the length and breadth of a rectangle. So that means we need a user input of length and breadth. Will you agree to me or not? Yes, and then we will need the side for calculating the square area. Then we will need the radius, and then we will need the base and height to calculate the area of triangle. Yes, so it is very well understood that what we are going to do is we are going to just ask the user to just enter these length, breadth, side, radius, base and height. Okay, so yes, first we will calculate the area of, so I am writing the calculating area of rectangle. Okay, so we will find out the area of rectangle first. So what we will need is we have to take the user input of length. So I am writing the length as a variable, then it will be the number. That's why I'm writing the int also. I will write the input command, and then we'll ask the enter the length of rectangle. Okay, enter the length of rectangle, then it will lead me to the length of rectangle of a given shape. Okay, then I will write the breadth breadth equals to int, then input, enter the breadth of rectangle. Okay, yeah, so now I will create one more variable so that it can just contain the area or it can contain the formula. So here I am writing rec. Okay, rec, then I will apply a logic, the very simplest logic ever. So yes, length जो हमारे पास आई थी इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे किससे, ब्रेड्थ से. Okay, so our area is calculated in the REC variable. Now we have to print this REC variable. So I will write the message, the area of rectangle is, okay, the area of rectangle is what? REC, क्योंकि REC में store हुआ था. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the area of rectangle. Now we have to calculate the area of square. Okay, so I am giving a comment so you can just understand it in a very detailed manner or in clear manner. Okay, so now I will ask the user to please enter the site. Okay, so I am creating a site variable, then I am taking the user input as an integer form. I am asking that enter the site of square. Okay, enter the side of square. What I am going to do is I will just enclose it with the parenthesis. The area of given triangle I should write that, huh? Yeah, the area of given triangle is okay. So yes, side we have. Now we will calculate the area of square. So I am writing the SQR, in which I will just apply my logic. So the basic logic is side multiplies side. Then I will print the area of given square is SQR, because SQR contains the area. Okay, then I will write the area of what? Circle. Okay, area of circle. Now what I need the radius int input, enter the radius of circle. Okay, then I will just create a CIR circle equals to 3.14 multiply radius radius multiply radius multiply. Okay, so then I will print this CIR and I will write the message, the area of given circle is CIR. Okay, then, and the last but not the least, area of what? Triangle. Okay, the shape which I don't like enough. Okay, yeah, personally. So I will need the base first. Okay, then I am inputting the base input, enter the base of triangle. Okay, after that I will input the HEIGHT, that means the height, int input, enter the height of triangle. Okay, then I will write the TRI. Okay, then I will write our basic logic 0.50 multiply by base multiply by HEIGHT height. Then I will print this statement. I will print the area of given triangle is TRI. Now check the spelling of every variable that you have created. LENGHT, yes, LENGHT, BREADTH, okay, good. SID is site, and then SQR square. Then RADIUS, yes, it is correct. CIR, it is correct. BASE, yes, BASE. HEIGHT, okay, then good. Now I am saving it from Control S, then it will run. Okay, so we will enter the length of rectangle to 5, then rectangle का breadth हम enter करेंगे 3, 5 3 जा 15. Yes, yes. Now the enter the side of square, I will enter the 7, so 7 sevens are 49. Then I will enter the radius of circle as 14. Now let's see what is the area of a given circle is 615.44. Then I will enter the base of triangle, let's say 12, and then the height of triangle, let's say 8. So 12 8 ja 96 and it's divided by 2, then it will leave the 48. So yes, this is how we have calculated the area of rectangle, area of square, area of circle, and area of triangle with the help of our coding segment. Okay. Yes, if you want to just give the print statement here as a blank, then it will lead you to the blank space also. Okay. So let's see what it will lead us. ओके देखिए अब यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ये गैप देने लग गया है, तो इसको थोड़ा सा अगर आपको क्या करते हैं थोड़ा सा और भी एडवांस बनाना है ताकि वो थोड़ा दूर दूर आए, तो मैं इसको क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर एक और खाली प्रिंट दे रहा हूँ। खाली प्रिंट का मतलब है कि वो एक गैप दे देगा अपने को, ठीक है। तो यस, सेविंग इट, नाउ रन द अगेन। Okay, enter the length of rectangle, let's say 4. Enter the breadth of rectangle, let's say 8. 8 4 ja 32. Yes, enter the side of square. I will write, let's say 9. 9 9 ja 81. Yes, now enter the radius of circle, let's say 15 or let's say 12. So yes, 452.15999 and etc. And then enter the base of triangle, let's say 34. And let's have some big digit though. Yes, 850. So yes, it is given our output, and this is how we have understood the area of different shapes. Okay students, so after understanding and after calculating the area of different kind of shape, now we will just solve the different or very basic, or we can say the simple expression, the mathematical expression, not the algebraic expression, with the help of Python. So let's say we have an expression saying that 20, okay, minus 16, then bracket 2 multiply by 5. Okay, so what will be the output of it? Let's say it will be added by 6. So who will tell me what will be the output of this simple expression? So if I need to just run this following or above expression, I will write the same expression in the print command. So what I will write, 20 minus 16 bracket 2 multiply 5 bracket close plus 6 bracket close of print statement. Saving this program, running this program, and let's have a look. Yes, what it is saying that it must be have int object is not callable. So yes, we have missed the one multiplicative operator in that. That's why it has shown error. So now here you can see the answer. Okay, so that's how you can just print by using the print command. You can just implement any kind of expression. Okay, so let's say we have an expression. Okay, we have an expression like the 30 plus 4 multiply 5 minus 2 minus 4. I'm just taking it randomly only. Okay, then let's see that it will be run or not. Yes, it will run. So by applying the missing operator, we can see that we are running our mathematical expression, the simple integer expression, very successfully using the Python print function. So students, this is how we have completed our Python programming language, in which we have done so many kind of programming practices, and I hope that you have enjoyed it very well. So take care and please keep doing the practice of Python.